everyone, my name is Mariela and I would like to introduce to you for the first time ever the global premiere of the Bold smartphone brand and their first device which is now available, the Bold N1. As we all know, there is no shortage of smartphone brands in the market today. What makes Bold special and different compared to everything else out there? Well, stick around and find out. And if you wait until the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get an exclusive money-back rebate when you purchase this phone on the Bold website. Here it is. The Bold N1 packaging is designed to reflect the premium nature of its contents. It has a clean and minimalistic approach along with contrasting holographic treatments for a very stylish and bold result. Now, let's take a quick look at what's inside. Here is a peek. I'm so excited. For the first time ever, here it is. The Bold N1. Wow. Isn't this phone a stunner? This is absolutely gorgeous. Right away, you'll notice this matte black aluminum metal frame and this super sleek glass on the back. So far, the Bold N1 is looking very much like a high-end flagship. This glass is a shiny black color, but depending on the angle and lighting, you will see special blue undertones as well, which makes it look very cool. You can tell no corners were cut on this phone's build quality. Moving on to the design. You can see we have a headphone jack here on the bottom. This is awesome and a lifesaver. I can't remember the last premium smartphone that had one of these, so headphone jack fans should be really happy about this one. We also have a Type-C charging port on the bottom along with the speaker, the volume rocker and power button on the right, the SIM card tray on the left, and on top we have this nifty little thing hiding, which we will get into later. Before I get into the specs and features of the Bold N1, I promise to tell you more about what the brand represents and how it is unique. Smartphones have come a long way in the past decade. They keep getting bigger, faster, and better, but unfortunately not cheaper. Flagship prices are now in excess of $1,000. This is overkill for most people's needs. Bold is different because its mission is no sacrifice in design or technology, delivering flagship-like performance, but at a fraction of the cost. Bold will be releasing 1 or 2 devices per year, always with this latest smartphone tech and the wow factor that will leave all of your friends super impressed. Not only that, but Bold also guarantees at least 1 year Android letter upgrades and 2 years of security maintenance software releases. Bold speaks for value and user experience like never before. Before we talk about the awesome specs and features that the Bold N1 is loaded with, let's take a quick look at what comes inside this super trendy box. Phone, 18-watt quick charging brick, Type-C cable, headphones, sticker, SIM key, quick guides, tempered glass screen protector, protective case. For those of you that are bothered by having ugly notches or punch-out holes digging into your screen, well, the Bold N1 will blow you away with its uninterrupted full-screen display. You get a glorious 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with 1080p resolution. The colors and contrast on the screen, well, are truly incredible. The Bold's N1 flawless display provides ultra-thin bezels with a 92% screen-to-body ratio while maintaining a very smooth and handheld experience. This is definitely an example of Bold's no-sacrifices commitment to bringing you the latest tech, and I must say, it's awesome. Now my favorite part. Let's talk cameras. We have some more high-end tech here with the first pop-up selfie camera at this price point. I mean, Yeah, featuring a wide-angle 13 megapixel sensor with AI-powered live portrait mode to capture all of life's pop-up moments. This camera comes with other features including live filters and beautification mode, just to name a couple. This amazing motorized pop-up selfie camera has been put through the most brutal reliability testing to make sure it never fails. In addition, this phone is so smart that it has a drop alert gravity sensor built in, so if you drop this thing, the camera will automatically retract before it hits the floor. How perfect is that? Care to test it? Let's try one more time. It never fails. On the back, you will find a dual camera setup with the main 16 megapixel Sony IMX499 sensor and a second depth sensor camera that supports incredible features like night mode, 96 megapixel super zoom, and advanced AI mode, which recognizes what you're taking a picture of and will automatically tune itself for the best result in photo processing. The Bold N1 refuses to disappoint with its impressive, powerful performance. This is for you, all my movers and shakers. The N1 is powered by the latest Mediatek Helio P70 chipset, which incorporates powerful Cortex-A73 architecture, a 2.1 GHz octa-core CPU, and impressive graphics processor, all built on a 12-nanometer production process. This means you get fast, fluid gaming power and battery efficiency, along with the most advanced AI/AR features. On Antutu, the Bold N1 is coming in with a score of around 150,000, beating any other device in its price range. Are you one of those people who live on their phones, take hundreds or thousands of photos, download every new song, and play lots of different games? Well, you'll never have to worry about space again with the 128 gigs of internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM included in the Bold N1 that will have you off and flying about. As you guys saw earlier, the Bold N1 comes with an 18-watt turbocharger, which will give you a 50% charge in just 30 minutes, so you'll always have enough juice. Not to mention, the N1 supports 10-watt wireless charging, so all you have to do is put your device down and keep on moving with your daily tasks. Bold is the only brand that includes wireless charging capabilities at this price point. You might be asking yourself, where is the fingerprint sensor in this device? Well, it's right here, hidden on the display. Just place your finger on the screen and it will unlock in less than 1 second. This is another first for a smartphone in this price range. Let's try that again a few more times. When it comes to smartphone technology, the Bold N1 delivers with several never-before-seen firsts at this price. Plus, you have a scheduled update to Android Q in the first half of 2020 and 2-year Android security updates. Well, everyone, the N1 is undoubtedly spectacular, and we have something unbelievable for you. You can get the N1 with the beautiful 6.4-inch 1080p AMOLED full-screen display, pop-up selfie, 128 gigs of storage, and 18-watt quick charge for just $249.99 directly on the Bold website, boldphone.com. What's more, to celebrate the brand launch and website, Bold is giving you an immediate rebate of $50 off for a limited time only, and exclusively to those who purchase the N1 on the boldphone.com website. That means you can get the Bold N1 exclusively on boldphone.com for just $199.99. Don't miss out on this launch day deal, since it will only be available while supplies last. Flagship-like performance for just $200. I'm done. This is crazy. I'm Mariela, and this is the first of many Bold videos to come. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to keep up with all the exclusive Bold news. I'll see you next time.